In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Merchant Center. We'll start right from your desktop. Open your preferred web browser and type Google Merchant Center into the search bar. This is a safe way to reach the correct place without memorizing the URL. When the results appear, look for the official Google link. It should point to merchantcenter.google.com and show Google as the verified source. Take a second to check the domain carefully and avoid any ads or lookalike sites. When you're confident you've got the right one, click through to the Merchant Center homepage. Next, sign in with your Google account. If you manage multiple Google accounts, make sure you're using the one connected to your business. You might see a prompt to verify your identity with two-step verification. Complete that if it appears. If you're brand new to Merchant Center, you may see onboarding screens or setup prompts. That's normal and just means you're in the right place. Once you're in the dashboard, you can also manage who has access. This is helpful if you work with teammates, agencies, or anyone who needs to help manage products and settings. To do that, head to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. That's your settings hub for the account. From the menu that opens, choose People and Access. In some versions of the interface, this may be labeled Access and Services. Both names bring you to the same kind of permissions area. Here, you'll see a list of current users and their roles. To add someone new, click Add User or Add Person. Enter the recipient's Google-powered email address, meaning an address that can sign in to Google services, and then choose the right access level. Admin access gives full control, including managing users and account settings. Standard access is great for day-to-day work like managing products, feeds, and orders, but without user administration. Email only is the most limited. It's best for people who just need notifications or reports without signing in to make changes. A couple of quick tips as you assign roles. Always apply the principle of least privilege. Give only the level of access the person needs to do their job. Double-check email addresses before you add them to avoid sending access to the wrong person. And if your team changes, come back to this page periodically to review who has access and adjust roles as needed. That's it. You've accessed Google Merchant Center, confirmed you're on the official site, signed in with the right account, and learned how to manage user permissions safely and efficiently. Consider bookmarking merchantcenter.google.com for quick access next time. Thanks for watching.